Unify your community and newsletter for a truly integrated audience experience. Let's dive into connecting your Circle community with your Beehiiv newsletter, step by step. First, log into your Circle account and navigate to your community's settings. Look for a section labeled Integrations or Apps. Within the Integrations menu, you'll find a list of available platforms. Locate and select the Beehiiv integration option. You'll likely be prompted to connect your Beehiiv account. This usually involves obtaining an API key from your Beehiiv settings. Now, switch over to your Beehiiv account, head into your account settings, and find where you can generate or view your API key. Copy this unique API key. It's essential for establishing the secure connection between your two platforms. Return to your Circle integration settings and paste the copied Beehiiv API key into the designated field. Click the Connect or Save button to finalize the authentication. Circle will now communicate securely with your Beehiiv account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Circle community and Beehiiv newsletter are now successfully connected. This integration allows for seamless communication, such as pushing new community discussions to your newsletter or vice versa. You can now enhance member engagement by directing your subscribers to join your vibrant Circle community directly from your Beehiiv newsletters. Enjoy a unified audience experience and elevated communication across your platforms with this powerful integration.